Welcome to Lux Life Living. Today, we're diving deep into the world of wealth and success to reveal the secrets behind becoming a billionaire. While there's no magic formula, there are proven strategies, mindsets, and principles that many billionaires have in common. In this video, we'll uncover these valuable insights and provide you with practical tips to help you on your journey to financial abundance. So grab your notebook because we're about to unlock the secrets to becoming a billionaire. The billionaire's demographics. The world of billionaires is a fascinating realm of staggering numbers and intriguing statistics. Globally, there are approximately 2,668 billionaires, a small but incredibly influential group. These individuals collectively amass a jaw-dropping wealth of more than $12.7 trillion, a financial empire that can sway economies and industries. Within this elite circle, fewer than 2,000 billionaires are considered self-made, a testament to their relentless determination and entrepreneurial prowess. They've built their fortunes from the ground up, defying the odds and exemplifying the power of innovation and hard work. When it comes to birth countries, the United States leads the way with 724 billionaires, 628 of whom were born there. China stands as a formidable foe, boasting around half of the total billionaire count, a testament to its rapid economic transformation. In contrast, Canada contributes only a small fraction to this elite group, with fewer than 10 billionaires. Gender diversity remains a challenge in the billionaire club, as just about 10% are women. This underscores the need for continued efforts to empower and support female entrepreneurs in their pursuit of wealth and success on a global scale. Yet it's worth noting that not all billionaires inherit their wealth or emerge from these regions. A smaller but still notable group comprises self-made billionaires who have ventured into various industries and sectors, demonstrating that tenacity, innovation, and strategic thinking can indeed pave the way to extraordinary wealth. So, while demographics play a role, the path to billionaire status is diverse and multifaceted, offering inspiration and lessons for inspiring entrepreneurs worldwide. The Billionaire Methods. Becoming a billionaire often involves a mix of strategic choices and personal attributes. These methods include entrepreneurship, where individuals create and grow innovative businesses, taking calculated risks. Another avenue is investing wisely in stocks, real estate, or startups, harnessing the power of compounding wealth over time. In addition, some billionaires emerge from the tech sector, leveraging disruptive technologies to reshape industries. For others, innovation and invention lead the way, as they develop groundbreaking products or services. Moreover, strategic acquisitions and mergers can catapult individuals into the billionaire club. So now, let us explore the methods that can be used to approach that billion-dollar lifestyle. Method number 1. Lottery. While many dream of striking it rich through a lottery jackpot, it's crucial to understand the staggering odds involved. Winning the lottery is, without a doubt, highly improbable, with odds often reaching an astonishing 1 in 300 million or even worse. This means that for every ticket purchased, the chances of hitting that life-changing combination of numbers are incredibly slim. While participating in lotteries can be a form of entertainment and a source of hope for some, it's vital to approach it with realistic expectations. For those aspiring to build wealth, exploring other avenues like entrepreneurship, smart investing, and financial planning offers more practical and statistically sound routes to financial success. While the allure of a massive lottery win is undeniable, it's wise to balance these hopes with more achievable strategies for financial prosperity. Method number 2. Casinos. The glitz and glamour of casinos often lure individuals in search of a big win, but it's crucial to recognize the challenges associated with this pursuit. Casinos operate as a business, and they have limited reserves set aside for payouts, ensuring that the house typically maintains a statistical advantage. The odds of consistently winning big in casinos are notably challenging. Most games are designed with a built-in house edge that favors the establishment. While occasional wins are certainly possible, the long-term trend often sees players losing more than they win. And even if you cleaned out an entire casino, you'd still be only about 10% of the way to $1 billion due to their limited reserve cash. Moreover, the casino environment is deliberately designed to be immersive and disorienting, making it easy for individuals to lose track of time and money. This can lead to substantial financial losses for players who aren't disciplined. Method number 3. Finance and investing. A significant number of billionaires have achieved their wealth through the world of finance and astute investing, domineering these methods at 15% of total billionaires. This field offers opportunities for substantial financial growth, with a few key strategies standing out. Firstly, many billionaires, especially Warren Buffett, stress the importance of long-term investments. Rather than seeking quick gains, they adopt a patient approach, allowing their investments to grow steadily over time. Compound interest and capital appreciation are powerful forces that can turn modest investments into significant wealth over the years. Another crucial aspect is being early in the market. Many billionaires have identified emerging trends, innovative technologies, or untapped markets before they become mainstream. Being at the forefront of these opportunities has enabled them to reap the rewards as these markets matured. However, it's worth noting that success in finance and investing requires a deep understanding of markets, risk management, and the ability to adapt to changing conditions. It's not a guaranteed path to wealth, and losses are a part of the journey. For those interested in this field, thorough research, diversification, and a long-term perspective can increase the chances of financial success. It's also advisable to seek professional guidance when navigating the complex world of finance and investments. Method number 4. The mining industry. The metals and mining industries have played a significant role in the wealth accumulation of some billionaires, underscoring the potential profitability within this sector. These industries involve the extraction of valuable resources like minerals, metals, and precious stones, which have a lasting demand in various global markets. Some billionaires have capitalized on the growing need for these resources, often through strategic investments in mining companies, exploration, or the development of innovative mining technologies. This approach has enabled them to amass substantial wealth over time. Method number 5. Video games. The world of video games has evolved into a multi-billion-dollar industry, being valued at over $220 billion, with notable success stories like Fortnite exemplifying its remarkable growth. Fortnite, developed by Epic Games, has become a cultural phenomenon, captivating players worldwide and generating substantial revenue through in-game purchases and collaborations. This success is not an isolated case. The video game market has expanded exponentially in recent years, propelled by technological advancements, online multiplayer experiences, and the global popularity of esports. Games are no longer just a form of entertainment. They have become a thriving industry with opportunities for entrepreneurs, developers, streamers, and content creators to amass substantial wealth. The appeal of video games lies in their ability to engage audiences of all ages and backgrounds. With the advent of mobile gaming and the rise of virtual reality, the industry's potential for growth remains immense. For those intrigued by the prospect of wealth in the gaming sector, it's essential to recognize that success often requires innovation, dedication, and a deep understanding of gamer preferences. Whether through game development, professional gaming, or content creation, the video game industry offers a multitude of avenues for financial prosperity in this digital age. Method number 6. Metaverse and virtual worlds. The emergence of the metaverse and virtual worlds presents an exciting frontier for creating wealth in the digital realm. These immersive, interconnected digital spaces are redefining how we interact, work, and play online, and they hold immense potential for entrepreneurial endeavors. One notable example of this potential lies in the acquisition of a virtual fashion brand by Nike. This move highlights the growing significance of virtual assets and experiences. Virtual fashion, real estate, and digital goods have already become valuable commodities within these virtual spaces, and they can be bought, sold, and traded, sometimes at astonishing prices. Entrepreneurs and creators are finding opportunities in content creation, virtual real estate development, and the sale of virtual products and services. As the metaverse continues to evolve, it's expected to open up new avenues for businesses and individuals to generate wealth. Method number 7. Product inventions and innovations. The journey from a simple idea to a billion-dollar product is a testament to the entrepreneurial spirit of investors and creators. Several iconic examples illustrate the transformative power of innovation and creativity. One such example is the Slinky toy, created by Richard James. This seemingly humble invention, a coiled spring that could walk down the stairs, captured the imagination of millions and became a toy sensation. It demonstrates that even the simplest concepts can lead to immense success when introduced to the market effectively. With the right vision, marketing, and execution, inventors can transform their concepts into billion-dollar products. The key lies in recognizing opportunities, understanding consumer needs, and taking calculated risks, all of which are essential components of the entrepreneurial journey toward wealth creation. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of wealth and success. If you found this video inspiring and informative, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Leave your thoughts in the comments below and hit that subscribe button to stay tuned for more incredible content on living the Lux life. Remember, your journey to success starts here, and we're here to guide you every step of the way. Until next time, this is Lux Life Living signing off.